In this video, I will show you how to create a simple monthly sales projection table and chart in Excel. This is a great way to track your sales for the upcoming months and see how they are trending. The first step is to create a table in Excel. The table should have the following columns: month and sales. Move the cell pointer to A2 and type January. In the sales column, enter your estimated sales for each month or increase by 5% in each subsequent. Converted the range to a table. Creating a chart, activate any cell in the table, then choose Insert, then Charts, then Recommended Charts. Excel displays some suggested then chart type options.